Please subscribe and ring the bell.
In this tutorial, I will be sharing with you how to make holiday cards using your Cricut. The first thing I'm going to do is show you where the links are to the holiday cards that I have created myself in Cricut Design Space so I can share them with you as easy as a click of a button. So in order to find these 4 cards that I created, all you need to do is go down to the description, click Show More, and you can see here the Let It Snow card link is here, the Season's Greeting card, Happy Holiday card, and Merry Christmas card. Now I just warn you, if you click on it, it will likely display a message saying that you do not have the same font uploaded. That is okay. You are still able to create that, so just click OK and continue. You do not need to upload that font unless you want to make changes other than the size of the card. So all you do is click on the link and open. And if you want to change the size of the card, you can click Customize, or else you can go ahead and click Make It. And I used an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, so my sizing is just slightly smaller than that, so adjust the size accordingly. And the same thing works for all 4 cards. Now if you want to learn how to make these yourself, for this card for instance, was I took a snowflake, duplicated it a bunch of times and resized it, and sliced them out into a rectangle. And then I layered different rectangles on top with wording. Now I have a video above if you want to learn how to use the slicing feature so you can make your own. Now let's get cutting.
If you love my mommy's video, give her a thumbs up.